Right now, walking to we got a little fireworks night going on here in Honolulu. Every Friday they got fireworks, so we're on our way over there to see all the fireworks. See you over there. Right now we're in Hawaii, going to go see the fireworks. He's gonna drive us to, I guess, our boat. We're the best driver in Honolulu. Look, right there, the best driver in Honolulu. That's the best driver in Honolulu. Say hi.
Hi.
Best driver.
Aloha.
A lot of rain over here in Hawaii, huh?
Oh, not a lot of rain.
Every day, 4 or 5 times a day.
Oh, this day. When did you come over here?
We landed on Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yeah.
You got rain every day.
Yeah.
Where's your home?
New York.
Oh, no man.
You live here all your life?
Oh no, I'm from South Korea.
Oh, South Korea? Okay.
I've been living here 10 years now.
South Korea.
Almost.
I gotta be careful. Maybe you black belt Taekwondo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
When I was a soldier, I got the black belt.
Oh, yeah?
A long time ago.
Mandatory, right?
I be Korean soldier, got black belt.
South Korea.
Korea is not too far from here, though.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe what, 11 hours?
No, that's 8 hours right there.
9-hour airplane, right?
New York is farther than Korea.
11 hours. The other side, Atlantic Ocean. I mean, yeah, Atlantic Ocean. You see rain coming again?
Today is rain come back.
Hawaii is raining every day, right? Every single day or no?
This is the most populated island, though, in Hawaii.
Yeah.
1 million,
Wow.
1 million.
1 million population.
Wow. You been to all islands? No? The big island? You went to the big island? Not yet?
No. Only this island. Someday I'm gonna visit every island.
They say they got an island for everybody. There's an island for everybody in the world. There's 7 islands.
Aloha guys, how are we doing this evening? There are 76 of you guys, please be louder. How are we doing? Guys, welcome aboard. My name is Riley, one of your crew members today. The rest of your crew is going to be Zadrian, Kelsey is your bartender, and your captain is Captain Chad. Please do a round of applause for Captain Chad.
Thank you.
Alright, so when a Coast Guard inspected vessel for 129 people, today we have 76. So if we hit any icebergs today, we'll not be fighting for emergency life jackets. Those life jackets would mean your seat compartments front and back, and the child emergency life jackets would mean the right side of the cabin under those seats as well. And as far as safety goes, the boat does move around randomly, so you guys have 3 points of contact at all times. That's 2 being your feet, and 1 being your hand to hold something that supports your weight as you walk around the boat. Now, if you guys see or smell a fire, please don't your crew members ASAP. We have 2 fire hoses on board, 1 in the port aft box and 1 in the front box, and 3 fire extinguishers, 1 behind each bar and 1 behind the captain's chair. Now, if you guys do unfortunately catch on fire today, please don't do your told and stop, drop, and roll. You guys point toward the fire exit. Your babysitters, your therapists if you want. If you need anything, we got you guys. Once again, my name is Riley. Zadrian and Kelsey are downstairs, and your captain is Captain Chad. Let's have a good time. Thank you guys.
sobran gente.
Mira la vaina del hombre que tiene, mira cómo es.
Yeah, that's cool.
It was
Got the moon over Diamond Head Mountain. You don't see that. Right here with the wife, heading to go see the fireworks.
estamos manejando ahora pues. Espérate, ¿para dónde vamos? Vamos para algún lado. ¿Para dónde vamos? Dime tú.
Pagualete. Right here on the boat ride, on the way to see the fireworks.